Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to subscribe to CoinStats Premium step by step. Managing your crypto portfolios more effectively and unlocking advanced tools on CoinStats starts with subscribing to CoinStats Premium. First of all, launch open the CoinStats application on your device and log into your account. From the main homepage of CoinStats, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right corner, and in the More menu you will see the CoinStats Premium option. Tap on that, and on the next page, select your premium plan you want. You can pick your monthly or yearly premium plan and then tap on the Upgrade Now button or the Subscribe button depending upon your plan at the bottom. Now go ahead and tap on the Subscribe button, and if prompted, you'll need to enter your payment details. This can include your credit or debit card or another supported payment method. After you are done with your purchase, review your purchase, and then once completed, your account will be upgraded to Premium. So that is how you can easily subscribe to CoinStats Premium on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.